So this phrase has been doing the rounds from a lot of years now, in the form of a life changing advice. That is, stop seeking social media validation. It's not a good thing. Uh, I think there are different aspects to it, and some of the aspects work for me. Social media validation, seeking this thing can sometimes lead to toxicity in life, that's a fact, but there are multiple aspects to everything in life. I think we can all agree on that, right? So there, believe it or not, there are positive aspects. Obviously when you word it like that, seeking social media validation, it sounds wrong. So recently, why I'm creating this video now is because when this thing was doing the rounds, this thing went viral. ये मैं हूँ, ये मेरी कार है, ये party हो रही है, and everybody went crazy and started creating videos, celebrities, commoners, and everything. Veer Das created a video, a very sarcastic video where he looked pissed and everything, and same thing. Stop seeking social media validation. It is a very uncool thing to do, or something of that sort. That was his message. He was like really pissed in a sarcastic way, but he was pissed. He was mocking people who are creating videos on that, or who often do that with other viral stuff that goes around. Now, my question is, I'll come to the other aspect right away, but then I will also address Veer Das's video and also address Veer Das as a whole, as an entity, as an influencer. Now let's agree on one thing, that we as human beings, I don't know about the past, I don't know about the previous generations, but today we are living in a 24-hour angst. We're all stressful, and we are all looking for ways to get distracted by things that take our minds off of our professional issues, personal issues, and if, as part of this seeking for distraction, we post Instagram reels and we derive some sort of happiness by the likes that we get on those reels, on those pictures, some comments that we get from people who don't really care about us, but they liked that little video, that picture, and they told us, and it made us feel a little special. What is wrong with that? Why is it an uncool thing to do? So Veer Das, I think about 4 or 5 months ago, he created this. He had this stand-up gig where he basically said that what is wrong with taking drugs. Bollywood is a stressful place, and people have to resort to drugs. It's sort of an escapism for them. So drugs is a valid form of escapism. You should do drugs because of whatever is happening, whatever is going on in your lives. But seeking social media validation or feeling happy with those likes and comments is seeking social media validation. That is uncool. You should not do that. That will lead to some sort of toxicity. I don't know why is taking drugs better or cooler, or a more acceptable thing to do than posting pictures on Instagram, creating those Instagram reels. How did Veer Das decide that one is better than the other? That's one point. Because he's so against seeking social media validation. Now, I do follow him on Twitter, and he posts, I don't know, maybe a dozen tweets in a day or maybe 6 tweets in a day. I don't know, but there are multiple tweets. He keeps springing up on my feed, and 99% of those tweets are not about his next gig, are not self promotion. They are about Veer Das seeking social media validation. A random thought pops in his head and he shares it on Twitter. That is social media. That also qualifies for social media validation. Veer Das, right? Or does it not? Whatever you do is legit. Whatever someone else is doing, because you do not create Instagram reels, so that fits in that bracket. That fits in that category. This is called seeking social media validation. When you are tweeting something that nobody needs to read, but because there are fans who will like that tweet, who will comment on that, oh man, relatable AF, oh you're so cool, I love how you put it. That's why you put out those tweets. And if you're telling me no, that's not why you put out those tweets, then why do you? The simple fact is there are things that can go wrong with both. There are things that can go wrong with excessive seeking or wanting of social media validation, and then there are things that can go wrong with drugs. Am I exaggerating here? Things can go wrong with drugs, right? So how do you decide? Social media validation, or howsoever you put it, I can't think of a polite way to put it because I don't really care. That gives some people happiness. That is it. There's a lot of stress in our lives. We see there's a window of like 3 minutes, so we open our social medias, or maybe 10 minutes, so we upload a picture or we upload a reel, or we are at our homes, we can't go out, there is not enough time. It's not like you want to play cricket and within like 10 minutes you'll be back. So let's no Veerdas, get over yourself. All right, not nearly as smart maybe as you think. Your gigs may be smart, I'm sure they are. I like your comedy, but that does not make everything you say valid. I mean, I'm not inclined to believe, like I said, I'm not inclined to believe you that you do not seek social media validation. Subscribe to Legend Martini for your daily dose of lifestyle, movies, fashion, career, health and wellness, and everything else under the sun. Don't forget to hit the bell icon.